Это антенна. Костер наш, дрова, машина немножко помятая. Вот, шатер, там Тимох сидит, палатка. Ну, это я собственной персоной. Вот так вот, немножко. Пипец, конечно. Тысячник работает.
Тысячи через сутки только заработал это, а не работает.
Да.
Я лопату где-то потерял.
Вот именно.
Буду копать ложкой.
Лопатник, блин. А вот наш акклиматор, который все питается.
Okay, Roger Mike, see you at the Dayton Hamvention. Thank you very much for stopping by and saying hello. This is Delta Fox to Blue Ocean DF2BO calling QRZ Delta X-ray and standing by. Victor Kilo 6 Zulu Canada Victoria from Delta Florida to Blue Ocean. A very good morning to you from here. Good evening at your end. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. You're 5 and 9. 59er, the name is Tom, Tokyo, Ontario, Mike, TOM, and we're located about 45 kilometers to the west of Stuttgart in southwestern Germany. Victor Kilo 6 Zulu Canada Victoria. This is Delta Fox 2 Blue Ocean standing by.
Вот так, проход сегодня с утра на австралийцев.
Rocksteady copy con. VK6ZCV and Delta Fox to Blue Ocean returning. Thank you very much for this lovely report, Con, and for the quick rundown on your setup. Over here at this end, it's a Tango Sugar 570 Delta. Having a Tango Lima 922 in line, running about 700-800 watts. The antenna is just an inverted V dipole operating from a condo, being restricted antenna-wise. That's the best what I can put up here. It's a 49 feet long inverted V, center set with a 450 ohm leather line, which runs into a Pelstar symmetric coupler. And the apex of the inverted V is up at around 71 feet, supported by a aluminum telescopic pole, which I have fixed at the railing of my balcony. I'm here at the top third floor apartment of the building, so already have a good height, and the rest is done by this telescopic pole. I have to say the telescopic pole is doing maybe 60% of the height, and 40% is done by the apartment. It's not dramatically high, but it's a 3-story building, so we already have at least a bit of height here before